Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to take a screenshot on a Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser. Visit any website. Click on any one website. If I want to take a screenshot of this page, I can take it now. Here you will see the screenshot option next time. Here's how to take a screenshot within Google Chrome. Simply type, click enter, then type screenshot, then enable both options. Then click relaunch. Then visit google.com. Visit any website. Click on any one website. Click share icon. Then select screenshot. Determine how many area screenshot you will take. Then click download. Here is an option to edit the screenshot, but this page has not been updated yet to edit the screenshot. Thanks for watching.